Let's write linear equations in slope-intercept form. Equation line number 3. Step 1. Find and write the y-intercept as the constant in the slope-intercept form equation. We see that the graph crosses the y-axis at the origin, that is when y equals 0. So if we were writing down our constant, we would have to write plus 0. But since it's just plus 0, we don't usually show that when we write down our equation. So I'm going to dim this out, but leave it a little bit so we remember that when it's not there, it's plus 0. How did we find and write the y-intercept? We find the y-intercept by locating where the graph crosses the y-axis, but in this case we don't write it down because plus 0 will just show as no term there at all. Step 2. Find and write the slope as the coefficient of x in the slope-intercept form equation. For our x term, we need a fraction that describes the slope from one point to another. To find another point, we go right on our graph until we get to the next easy-to-read integer ordered pair, and that occurs here at +3, +2, and we can now describe the slope movement from the point on the left to the point on the right. First, we must go up 2, which means our slope will be +2 in the numerator, and 3 to the right in our denominator. How did we find and write the slope? We found the slope by finding another integer ordered pair point on the graph and then used these 2 points to describe the slope, in this case up 2 meaning +2 and 3 to the right gave us a 3 denominator. The graph of the linear equation written in slope-intercept form is y equals +2 over 3x. You are now ready to write the linear equation of graph number 4 in slope-intercept form.